today I'm going to be showing you how to make your text bold and bigger. So the way to do it is you scroll down, it should be underneath General, and it should say Control Center with these two switches, and then you scroll down, and at the bottom it should say text size in blue with a blue logo and AA, and then it pops up to here, and then if you swipe from the top right of your screen, it should come up with this, and then there'll be an AA button. You hold down on it, and to change your size, you just hold down on the bar and move it around, and it changes your size. And to make your text more bold, you go on to display and brightness, which is right underneath Control Center. And if you scroll down, it should say bold text, which I have on, and then you press the button so it turns green, and then there you have it. Your text is thicker and it might be a bit easier to read.